lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time you're seeing my face, hi, my name is Ipshita. I make beauty, makeup, skincare as well as nail art tutorials and cooking videos in this channel, and welcome to this particular video, which is the fourth video of my Durga Puja series of videos, where I am going to share with you all few festive recommendation of base makeup products. So yes, I have quite a lot of product to share in this video with you guys, so do keep on watching and watch the video till the end. But just in case if you miss any of the product which I am showing you in this video, and if you miss out on the shade name or anything like that, do check out in the description box. I'll mention each and everything over there, just in case if you want to grab any of these out for yourself, or if you want to check those out for yourself. And anyway, these are the recommendation which will make your, if you have any of these and if you use these, as per my knowledge, this will make your base makeup game to a different level, and these will make sure, because these products will scream festivity, because I'll tell you why in the video as you keep on watching it. And yes, so it will make sure that your makeup will last on your face for all day long, and your makeup will scream that it is done for the festive season. So yes, that's enough of me blabbering. And one more thing before I start with the products, that after you're done watching this video guys, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel as well by clicking on the red subscribe button which is down below, and you will find a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell, select all, so that you will get all the notifications every time I upload a video like this, if you really enjoy my videos and whatever content I make. And if this is the first time you're seeing my video, I'll also link a few of my other videos, including the rest of the videos which I've already posted in this Durga Puja series, down below in the bottom bar as well as in the eye icon. So don't forget to check those out if you have missed any of those out. Those are some really fun and interesting video, specially made for this Durga Puja season and the festive season in general. And yes, after you're done watching this video, do not forget to share this video as well with your friends and family, and also do spread the word guys, because my channel is very small and very new at this moment, and I want our family to grow together very quickly and together. That's what. So I hope you get the jazz. So yes, that's really enough of me blabbering. Now let's not make this long intro longer and get into the video now. So let's start with our recommendation video for today. Today I have 8 products in front of me, because those are among which all of them are base products, where I'm going to show you my recommendation one by one, and all of them are actually this festive season friendly, which will make sure your makeup looks stunning as well as it also lasts long on your face. So let's first start with the first thing that we apply on our face after prepping our face for the makeup, and the most important thing and the most important step in your makeup game, which is a foundation. I have actually 2 recommendations for you in this video for foundation. So we all know for festive season we want our base to look as flawless as possible, because we don't want our imperfection or anything peeking through to our makeup, because this is the time of the year to do makeup like this, where we'll all will look stunning and sporting a flawless base. And I have 2 of the foundation from my favorites list to make sure that you will also get that flawless look that you are looking for during this festive season. The very first foundation that I have for you guys is this one. It is the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour long foundation, full coverage foundation, and it is in the shade, I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Just in case guys, if you want to know any of the shades that I'm going to mention, or you want to know about my shade, which shade I am in this particular foundation, I'll make sure I'll mention each and everything, just in case you miss it out, down below in the description box. If you want to, you can go ahead and check it out. So this foundation is something which I have already featured. It has featured in my favorite foundation video as well, and that particular video also was a part of a series where of a foundation series. Actually, Foundation 101 was the name, and there was 3 videos in that series, if I'm not wrong, if I remember it correctly. What I'll do is, if you are into foundation and if you're yet to find the perfect shade and match for your skin type as well as your skin color, for the foundation match for yourself, go ahead, and after you're done watching this video, make sure you watch those 3 videos of mine. I'll make sure I'll leave a link of that series as well in the bottom bar as well as in the eye icon. You'll be able to find it out from there. It will be easy for you. And yes, there will be a few other very important and very valuable tips from my end, where I have done a serious research on this particular concern, and I have helped you guys in with all the knowledge that I could gather in this particular topic about foundation shades as well as type of foundation. So it is a very long video but very informative video. So I hope you'll enjoy that video, watching that video, if you're actually looking for a good foundation for yourself. So talking about this foundation, and this foundation is actually a very good foundation if you have oily skin or combination skin, but don't worry guys, even if you have dry skin, but if you prep your skin well with a good amount of moisturizer, and you know how to prep your skin well, and you are still looking for that matte effect on your skin after applying your foundation, you can actually go for this. It says it's a full coverage foundation, and it is a full coverage foundation. You can actually layer it up to 2 layers, but I will always suggest you not to layer it up or any foundation up more than 2 layers, otherwise it might look cakey, because it's actually a full coverage foundation, and the coverage and the pigmentation of this foundation is solid guys. So this is the appropriate foundation which will, even because it says it's super stay foundation which lasts for 24 hours. Obviously I haven't tried wearing this foundation for 24 hours long, because no one wears makeup for that long, right? But yes, but we can go ahead and do that for testing purpose only for you guys. If you want me to go ahead and test this product out for 24 hours just to see if this actually lasts for 24 hours long or not, I will be more than happy to go ahead and do that for you. Do let me know in the comments. But yes, talking about this foundation, I have worn this foundation for long hours, and doesn't matter for how long. I was actually out of my home, like just like you guys, for even while working, even after I'm back home from work, that is actually a very long hour. At least after applying it, I have removed it even 12 hour. I have seen it lasting on my face at least for 12 hours, and the same goes for the next foundation. And but particularly talking about this foundation, it lasts like anything on your face, and it will not get removed from your face, or it will not get separated easily from your face. It's a very good formula, and Maybelline knows their game whenever they're talking about makeup. We all know that. So that's the reason it is actually a foundation which is being raved about all across the globe, and I do love it. So go ahead, if you're looking for a full coverage foundation and you're actually on budget, go ahead and make sure you check this out, because this is priced 750 rupees for 30 ml of product. So which is actually a pretty good price point, and you can actually grab it for discount during this festive season sales. So yeah, let's come to the very next product, which is the next foundation recommendation from my end, which is from Makeup Revolution. Yes, it has to be there has to be at least one product. Actually, there are more than one product from my favorite drugstore brand. You all must be knowing by now. Makeup Revolution's is Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation is the one, which is my second recommendation of foundation. I'm in the shade F10. Actually, this shade is at this moment a little bit dark on my skin, because now winter is coming and my skin tends to change color with different season and different weather. So the winter time I'm anyway a little, at least a shade or two lighter, and during summers I'm a shade or two darker than this. So this, what happens is, it is actually my go-to summer foundation, and it's talking about the shade and talking about the coverage, it says it's a full coverage foundation, and it is actually a full coverage foundation. It will cover whatever blemishes. Even if you have acne prone skin and if you have pimple on your skin, this product will make sure everything is covered and people will not be able to see what are the imperfection you are actually having in, beneath these. So this is a revolutionary product. I love this stuff. I love matte foundation. I have combination skin which is a little bit toward the oily side, but I know how to prep my skin well just to make sure my it doesn't cling onto the dry patches as well. It is a very good thing because there are matte foundation which clings onto the dry patches and make your face look really ugly, but none of these two foundation does that. Otherwise, because my cheek area, this side of my face is actually not very, at least a little bit on the drier end, and it has dry patches, but none of these foundation clings onto them. Although I really prep my skin pretty well before I go ahead with my makeup each and every time, doesn't matter how long I will be wearing that. So this is a product again which will last on you for very long time. If you're looking for a full coverage foundation which will really last on you until you remove it up from your face for this festive season, which is actually a very good and important thing for your makeup, you can actually go forward. And I love the packaging as well, guys. Just see the packaging, it looks so classy sitting on your drawer. So with the frosted glass it is come with, and with the rose gold cap, I really love the packaging. And by the way, the can you see the doe food applicator? It comes with a huge humongous doe food applicator, just like their concealer packaging. It's just a bigger variant of the packaging of the concealer that they have in this range. So I do love these foundation, that's why I'm recommending these two for the festive season for you guys. Now foundation is done. What we do next? Now we set our face just to make sure our full coverage foundations and long wear foundation and even lasting for longer. So what I have for you guys, I have again two recommendations from my end for the powder. One is this one. I'm sorry, the packaging is actually looking pretty old. Because it is pretty old, I've been using this product for like religiously, so that's the reason this is the way the packaging looks. This is from L'Oreal Paris. It is their Matte Magic all-in-one matte transforming compact, and it has SPF 35 and PA++ added to it, which is a good thing. And yes, this is how the product looks, and I'm in the shade G1, by the way, if you are wondering. And this is actually a compact powder. It comes like, the packaging looks like this, and you have to flip it up to get the mirror. And it comes with a sponge as well. Normally I don't use sponges, but you can see I have actually used this one up because it's a good quality sponge. It's not like that puff that you used to get in kids makeup. So it's not like that. The sponge actually works good. In case if any of the time you're outside and if you don't carrying any of your face brush, so you can actually use the sponge to apply it and do a touch up. But anyway, this product actually mattifies your skin pretty well if you have oily skin, and if even after applying a good matte foundation, if you have see your foundation separating from your T-zone or anything, and your oil starts becoming greasy and oily, this is a product which will be your savior. Because this product, being a compact powder as well, it actually helps sucking that extra oil out of your face without making your face dry. So which is a must, because most of the compact, if they have that power of making your face look very non-oily and dry, it will make your skin look heavy and dry and powdery. But this one doesn't do that, which is a good thing. So I will make sure I'll mention all of the pricing and everything, because I don't remember the price of each and every product over here. So without telling you the wrong prices, which I actually don't remember at this moment, so I'll make sure mention it down below in the bottom bar. Now let's come to our very next product, which is the Rimmel London Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder. It is the loose powder, and I have been using this up for a long time now. Almost half a year has been gone since I've been using this up. And yes, it comes like with a puff like this, which I haven't used, as you can see. And then it has a cover which you have to remove to get the product out of the packaging. Yeah, so this is how the product looks. It's actually very softly milled, as you can see, and it does not leave any white cast. It's actually not white, it's a bony color, which is not actually your color as well and not white, it's somewhere in between. And yeah, so it's actually a product which I use on not on daily basis, but on the days where I know that my makeup has to be there for a longer period of time and I don't want my under eye area and my smile lines, because I express a lot through my face and I don't want these areas to crease and I want to extend the wear time. I use this product up and it actually works pretty well. For the festive season, these are the two of my recommendation for the face powder and loose powder. So let's come to our very next product. After we're done with our foundation and setting it up, what we do? So we set our base, right? So what we use? A setting spray. So I have again two recommendations for you guys for two setting sprays, which are one of my favorites, or two of my favorites from whatever I have used till date. And both of them, they make sure your makeup lasts long. We all know there are good variety of setting sprays in the market from the drugstores, which actually make your makeup look blended and cohesive, and they take away the powderiness from your makeup, because after you're applying layers and layers of makeup on your face, by the end of your makeup routine, your face tends to become a little cakey or look a little bit powdery or heavy. So just to melt away everything and make everything look like skin, although we know that we're applying makeup, and look like you're beaming and your skin is looking healthy, everything is blended properly, there are a lot and variety of good drugstore setting sprays to do that, because that's the minimum thing that a setting spray can do. But what actually is the work of a setting spray is to make your power and the longevity of the makeup to make them stay longer on your face, just to be simpler. So that's the thing these two does. So talking about the first one, it is again from my favorite drugstore brand, Makeup Revolution. It is the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. It is a 100 ml product and I don't remember the pricing. I'll make sure I'll mention it down below. I think it retails for 1,000 rupees, but obviously you can get it for a cheaper price on discount, like I always do. So this is a product which I think I will empty out pretty soon, because I have been using this product for quite a long time and very religiously, both of these products, switching these up. And the whatever setting spray I had previously, apart from these two, I make sure I have already used them up and finished them up, and just to make sure I will never be able to, I don't want to go and grab them once again, that I'm done with them. But these are the ones I save these up for special occasion, because I love this with my bottom of my heart, and these make your skin and your skin look good and your makeup last longer. So both of the things that the setting spray is supposed to do, they both do it incredibly well. So this product actually has, it's an oil control fixing spray. So it will, if you are a little bit on the oilier side of skin, make sure you grab this one, because it will be more suitable than the other one for you. And if you're looking for a matte look on your skin for your makeup, this will suit you, because it has alcohol content in it, I'll tell you. But for that alcohol content only, and alcohol is actually a little bit higher on the ingredient list, so it has a good amount of alcohol, and that's what makes sure that your skin is actually stays mattified throughout the day. So it actually works pretty good. Talking about the very next product and very next setting spray, the second one in my list is this one, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set, which is the makeup extender setting spray. So which actually prolongs your makeup. It is actually a very micro fine spray. You know, the kind of spray that you get from your deodorants. It is a kind of spray. Both of these products actually, they don't, put splotch of the sprays on one place of your face, and then you cannot, that even, make your makeup look even uglier. None of them does that. So yes, you can be rest assured about that. Both of them spreads the spray very finely on your face. They do not, at least they just make your makeup look better. They do not ruin your makeup in any manner. So talking about this one, it is again, I think, 100 ml. So yeah, I'll make sure. Yes, it is 100 ml and it's for 800 rupees. At least that's the price when I bought it. And yes, you can go ahead and check. I'll mention it down below where you can get, or from which stores online actually sell this up. So you can go ahead and check for yourself if you want to. And this product, again, the same thing that this does, but this does not have the alcohol feel in it, but this does the job. But if you are not looking for that very matte effect from your makeup, you should grab this one instead of this one, because this makes your skin look not dewy but little bit, glowy. Obviously it will not look oily or greasy or anything, but a little bit on the dewer side you will see your face will become after you actually spritz this on. So it's actually a very, very good setting spray if you have dry skin, or even if you have normal skin or oily, not oily. I will recommend it for at least still combination skin, not for oily skin. If you have oily, very oily skin, go for this one. And if you have any other skin which you don't want your makeup to look matte, go for this one. So let's come to our very last category of products, without which a festive look of any makeup look will not be able to complete in itself, by itself. So I think you must be knowing that which product I'm talking about. My favorite product from the base makeup category, highlighters. So I have once again two recommendations for you guys in the highlighter section. One is a palette, another is a single. So first let's talk about the single one. It is from Wet n Wild. Yes, you all must be knowing it's a well-raved product, well-loved product. Everyone loves this. Even I do. And you have seen me using this numerous times. But yes, this is the product I want to recommend for this festive season, because this gives you the beaming highlight that you are looking for during festive season. And also, even if you're not the person who actually likes to go a little subtle with their highlighter, you can actually do that with this particular. You just have a highlighter, you just have to apply it very light-handedly with a correct brush, because there are type of brushes which will make all the changes of looks using one highlighter. So this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. I also love their Blossom Glow color. I'm in the shade in the highlighter. This is how this gorgeous beauty looks like. Can you see in the pan itself? It is actually reflecting light. And I love the, design over here. I really don't want to mess it up, so I'm using the product from this side, but obviously I will have to use this up, and this will also get flattened. But I love this highlighter, guys, and I do recommend it for you guys, because of the price that you're paying. You are actually getting a bomb highlighter, and it lasts on your face for a long time. It gives that beaming glow effect without emphasizing any texture on your face. So let's talk about our very next product and the very last product in the list, but obviously definitely not the list. And this is again from my favorite brand from the drugstores, Makeup Revolution. It is the Soft X Highlighter Palette. Just in case you're a makeup junkie like myself, but otherwise if you are a makeup artist, or you have a lot of people at your home who will do makeup during this festive season, and who have obviously different skin types and skin tones, and you want one thing to cater to all of you from your family or friends, so this is the product you should be go ahead and grab for yourself. Just see, it comes with a ton of, that is 8 highlighters, which are so pigmented they can be even used as eyeshadows. These are actually, you know, products which can be used multiple ways. So actually you can go ahead and get the worth of money that you are spending for this particular product, for the palette. It's worth your investment, guys. I at least think so, because I love this palette so much. Even I know that these kind of colors won't suit me as a highlighter, but I use this up as a eyeshadow because these are baked and these are so freakingly pigmented that they work as a eyeshadow, metallic eyeshadow, pretty good, pretty well. No one will be able to tell that you have applied your highlighter as your eyeshadow. So they are so pigmented. And even I apply these kind of, although these are meant for very fair skin tone people, like this pink one and the lavender highlighter and the white one as well, but I do mix this up with the gold highlighter and I do apply it just if I want to switch things up a bit with my highlighter look. So these are extremely highly pigmented. They are actually so good. I have, I think, shown you guys these two already in my top 5 favorite highlighter video. If you have missed that video out, if you are looking for even more highlighter apart from these two, go ahead and watch that video. I'll make sure I'll link it down below in the bottom bar for you guys, also in the eye icon. Make sure you watch that video next if you are looking for a good highlighter apart from these two. So I do love this highlighter palette and it's actually worth the money that you're paying. It's I cannot, you know, rave about it more. I think I have already said enough praises for this one. I don't want to make this video any longer because I just love this product. You should go ahead and grab it. It screams festive season. It screams festivity. The beaming glow it gives, oh my god, it makes your skin like it looks like it's wet. Obviously it doesn't emphasize your texture even 1%, but it does not have that little bit of chunks of glitters that this one had. It is all just shimmer, finely milled shimmer that will melt into your skin and your skin will look like it is wet. So that's the kind of look that I dig for myself, especially during festive season. So that's the highlighter, my go-to highlighter palette for this season. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end. I really hope these recommendations which I have shown you in this video has helped you out for picking your makeup products for yourself for this festive season, or any you know, for any kind of makeup that you are into. So yes, if this video was really helpful or interesting to you, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel guys if you haven't already, because I know among you guys 65% of people have they watch my videos on regular basis, but they are not subscribed to my channel, and that's really sad guys. I really don't understand why. So yes, after you're done watching this video and few of my other videos as well, which I have already put the links of them down below in the bottom bar as well as in the eye icon, please do consider subscribing to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon right next to it just to make sure you get all the notification. And yes, I'll see you again tomorrow with the Mahanavami look and also another recommendation for you guys, recommendation video for festive season. And yes, if you don't want to miss out on those as well, make sure you hit the notification bell and, you know, selecting all of them, because otherwise you might miss any of those notifications coming to your inbox. And also if you have missed the previous videos which I have posted in this Durga Puja series, as I already told you, I'll mention it down below in the bottom bar. And whatever feedback that you have in general for my channel and also for this particular video, do not forget to let me know that in the comment section down below. Or if you have any suggestion for my future videos also, make sure you mention that down below in the comment section, and I will love to check it out and I will love to make that video for you. And yes, I hope you all are staying safe. And this Durga Puja, I hope you all are staying indoors as well, and, you know, enjoying by staying indoors itself, just to make sure we are the fight that we are almost about to win, we don't lose it at this particular moment. So yes, keep on fighting girls and keep on fighting girls. Guys, I'll see you in my next video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye then.